Hey guys, are you still staring at charts all night long? Stop. I found a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. Today we are testing DeFi Bot. This isn't just a bot, it's an AI agent that scans the mempool and snipes liquidity faster than you can blink. I deposited 0.5 ETH here to check if it actually works. Let's dive in. Check out the specs. Execution speed of 200 milliseconds, that's institutional grade. Protection against MEV attacks so you don't get sandwiched. Support for 7 networks including Ethereum and Base. And most importantly, total security. Keys stay with you, the site is non-custodial. Sounds solid, but let's get to the action. Hit Launch Terminal. Connect MetaMask. Standard stuff, safe and sound. For this test, I'm picking the Base network. Low fees and high volume right now. The interface is clean, super intuitive. Here's where the magic happens, the settings. I'm going with the aggressive preset to maximize gains. I'm definitely toggling on auto reinvest. This is a game changer. Profits get automatically compounded, working like compound interest. And naturally, MEV protection is on by default. The calculator shows potential returns. The numbers look tempting, but theory is one thing, reality is another. Hit Start Bot. Let's roll. Look at what's happening in the logs. The bot connected to the node and started scanning the mempool. Video is sped up, but in reality, this happens instantly. Boom. First trade, a back run. Plus $38 in one transaction. Seconds later, a position liquidation. Net profit, $163. Can you believe the speed? It spots the opportunity and executes it before anyone else. Next up, arbitrage. The bot spotted a price discrepancy across different pools. Bought low, sold high, plus $40. Look at that balance chart. It's skyrocketing. $500, $700, $900 in profit. Win rate is sitting at 100%. It's a profit machine that never sleeps. The bot keeps crushing it. MEV attacks, arbitrage, liquidations. It's running every strategy at once. Total trading volume is already over 90,000 and my net profit just crossed $1,200. And this is with just a 0.5 ETH deposit. Alright, let's not get greedy. Time to cash out. Stop the bot. Head to the profile. Click Withdraw Funds. Open MetaMask. Look at this. Was $4,734. Now it's $5,963. That's $1,229 net profit in one session. Absolutely insane. DeFi Bot is the real deal and takes trading to the next level. If you want to automate your income, the link to the site is in the description below. Get in before the network gets congested. Smash that like button if you want reviews on other networks and subscribe so you don't miss new alpha. Happy trading.